The tool that I have chosen is blogger.com. I did have to have a Gmail account in order to register, and when I began the register enrollment process, it did require me to create a user blogging name. I have chosen MGP123. At the time of register, it also asked me if I would like to purchase a personal domain. I had chosen not to. Here on the left hand side, we have a couple tabs we can choose from. The stats tab, of course, will be able to inform you on your views for today, yesterday, last month, and all-time history, as well as your followers. Then you can take a look at your post, traffic resources, and your audience. This will give you some demographic information, but of course, since I just created it, I don't have any stats yet. Comments, here you will be able to remove or delete any published comments. And here, this tab, what I learned on this tab is you can actually be paid to put some ads on your blog posts. I believe this is when your blogs become a little bit more popular, but so I just created mine. It does not qualify at this time. Here you will be able to see your pages as well as pages that you follow. Layout, of course, is so that you can create the layout, or I should say set the layout to your blog. Again, set a theme to your blog posts. Here will show me, for example, I have already created one, and it will show you here how it looks on a computer, a mini preview, if you will, and then here how it will look on a mobile version. And then it shows you all the different types that you can choose from here in this section. Here under the settings, this is where you will be able to set any privacy for your blogs. Right now I have it set to public, but when I click edit, it gives me a couple options of only blog authors or only these readers, in which you can set specific names there or domains there, and then a couple other editing tools here for the title of my blog, etc. And then it has here, of course, the email that is set to it, language and formatting, preferences, basic settings, such as those. I have already created a post, so I will go ahead and show you that. I will go under, I did save it as a draft, so it does allow me to save my blogs. Then it will be here. Here I have an edit, a preview, or a delete screen, just like a shortcut version, but when I do click on it, I will also have those up here. So this is where I wanted to show you that it does mimic a like a Word document if you were to be writing a paragraph in a Word doc. The only really difference is this here, but again, you have a font choice, bold, italics, all that good stuff. And then here is where I can show you my preview, or the preview of my first blog post that I will be publishing. And here's my layout and my theme that I have chosen. If we head on back, it may take a while. Okay, so if we head on back, here we will be able to set any labels that will help bloggers kind of get to your blog, kind of like hashtags. That's how I perceive it to be. Here I can set the date and time, or I can set it as automatic of when my blog post was posted. Same, I can also set a link, that way I can advise any of my readers or any of other fellow bloggers how to locate my blog posts. Here's a location. It will ask for my location. Unfortunately, I do not want that on at this time, but that is where you will set that. And then, of course, there's a couple other options here to allow things to show, other things not to show, to create an HTML link, and things of that nature. And then when I'm done, which I pretty much am pretty done with this little paragraph of my blog for a restaurant called Town. I will go ahead and just publish. And there we have it, my first published work. So yeah, that's pretty much, I decided to use this tool, and hopefully I will set it or continue to use it for the future. It did ask me to create a blog post name, not just my user blog name MGP123, but the name of the I really don't know how to explain it, but the basically I had to name this